These are the vocabulary and context cards from lesson 27, and they go along with the text, The Dog That Dug for Dinosaur Bones. Number 1 is the word exact. Exact means accurate in every detail. The map shows the exact place to dig for old bones. Number 2 is discovered. Discovered means found. This old shark's tooth was discovered on a beach. It was found by a scientist. Number 3 is remove. Remove means to take away. This scientist uses a brush to gently remove or take away sand. Number 4, growled. Growled is to have made a loud, low, angry sound. The dog growled and barked as it dug up the old bone. Number 5 is amazed. You can also be like, wow, that's what amazed means. The girl was amazed at the size of the dinosaur teeth in the museum. Number 6, explained. The man explained or told about the dinosaur. Explained means told. Number 7, guard. Guard watches over, okay? A guard makes sure no one touches anything in the museum. Number 8, souvenirs. Souvenirs are tokens or things that people bring home with them when they have visited a place to help them remember their time visiting that place. This little boy is the subject of this sentence. He bought souvenirs to remember his day at the museum. You will be hearing and reading these words in the text, the dog that dug for dinosaur bones. And I hope that you understand what they mean when you read this text.